Hello, I'm Ivan, and today I want to present you a new product, AI Text Detector, a simple Google Chrome plugin that helps you to detect AI-generated text. Let's see how it works. So here I have a text that was generated by ChatGPT. I copy that text and paste it here in my plugin. I click check, and I see that this text is likely to be written entirely by AI, and probability of that fact is 92%. Let's check the human-generated text. So I go to Economist, I copy the text and paste it here, and I see that this text is likely to be written by a human, and probability that this text is AI generated is 0%. Also, you can notice that here I have a button, Detect AI Text, that is also a part of our plugin. So this button helps you to analyze the whole text on the page you are viewing. So that is convenient when you want to analyze some long read, or you are checking somebody's work in Google Docs and so on. So you can hide or show it clicking here. So let's click on Detect AI Text and see the result of analyzing the whole text of this page. So the result is this text is likely to be written by a human, and probability that it was generated by AI is only 0.06%. Yeah, so that's how it works. You will find the link to the extension in the Google Web Store in the description below this video. Please give it a try and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching.